Pinegrow adds a couple of display helpers specifically for Bootstrap. But first, let's clear up the screen. We can use the Hide User Interface button or press the Tab key to get rid of all the open panels so that we can focus on the page. And for columns, let's select a column. Pinegrow adds column resizers, so we can grab them and change the size of the column. You will notice we have two handles. One is blue and one is white. And blue handle represents the span setting that affects the column at the current display size of the page view. This can be the span setting for the current size, or if that is not set, a span setting for the closest smaller size. And that's the fact in our example. Like now we are on large size, but the actual setting of the column is set only on medium. But we can still see and we can change it here by dragging this resizer. So, okay, what is the white handle? The white handle gives us the opportunity to define the size on the current size. So now we are on large, and here we have the handle to set the column span for the large display size. And we can do that. And notice that the blue handle changed into large, because now the actual column size at the large size is defined by the large span. And medium is on lower sizes. So if we display another page view and we say, let's show the medium, and we select the column, here we can see the blue setting, the blue handle lets us change the setting, the medium setting, and here we can change the large setting. Another display helper are column overlays, and we can switch them on here, Bootstrap for columns, and now all columns on the page will get blue overlay, and on the top right corner we will see information about their size, like medium 6, large 10. And that happens for all columns on the page. And this setting is can be turned on and off on the basis of page view, and we can do this here. So let's say that for this page view we are not interested into the column overlays, so we can switch them off, and here they are still on. And of course all display helpers can be toggled with the main display helper switch up here, so that when we are editing CSS or when these helpers are in the way, we can easily get rid of them. And the third display helper for Bootstrap is Bootstrap Grid, and it shows grid guidelines in all containers and rows on the page. And again, we can use the main display helper toggle to switch these helpers on and off. Or we can also use the page view setting to switch it off and on for a particular page view.